Nowadays, Industry 4.0 is an important trend for machine tool manufacturers. The iHMI control allows you a lot of connectivity possibilities. The first one is to use the computer from the machine. The control also allows you to use the machine from the computer and work as if you were in the workshop. So you could work in the machine screen, but also edit the different modes. This has a lot of possibilities. One of them is technical assistance. As we have mentioned, connectivity is very important for industry. That is why CMZ is offering the latest FANUC empty link software that will allow you to control your production and take signals from the machines. So the software will allow you to control what the machines are doing all the time and even monitor them and control what they are doing. You can control different machine signals, you can control the alarm history, or you can even make a production schedule and control how are you keeping on that time. It has a lot of possibilities that will allow you to improve your production and control what the machines are doing.